How to unlink Facebook from Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, tap on the Account Center option. If you tap on the profiles option, you're going to find your Facebook account over here. If you want to remove this, then head back, scroll down, tap on accounts. Then you can find your Facebook account over here. Simply tap on the remove button, which is next to your Facebook account name. Now here you can find the remove account option, and it says that your Facebook account will lose access to connected experiences. If you want this, tap on that option. Now tap on continue. Finally, it's going to ask you for confirmation. Tap on Yes, Remove option at the bottom of your screen. And once you do that, your Facebook account has been successfully unlinked from your Instagram account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.